everyone, it's Kathleen the Singing Cat, and I'm here reviewing Away Luggage, specifically the bigger carry-on. So as I'm filming, I'm going to Walt Disney World in just less than a month. I'm so excited, but on this trip, I'm going to try something different. Normally, I would check a bag, have a nice big backpack, and basically bring a ton, and then coming home, I would bring a lot back with me. This time, I'm actually going to do a 7-day Disney World trip in just a carry-on and a backpack. That's it. So, I needed a carry-on that was roomy enough to be able to fit everything, plus leave room so if I get any souvenirs, it'll come back. I specifically needed a carry-on because of the timing of my flights in and out of Orlando. When I'm coming into Orlando, I really want to go straight to the hotel and go to bed because I get in at like 10:30 at night. And the next morning we're going to Magic Kingdom and we want to get there early. So I don't want to spend any time at the Orlando airport longer than I need to. Even though Magical Express, which is the Disney transportation to and from Walt Disney World to the airport, even though they do give you luggage tags that allows them to handle them for baggage claim, they only do that up until about from like 6 a.m. to the morning till about 7, 8 o'clock at night. So it's a little late for me. On the way back, my sister and I are taking separate flights, and they're about 4 hours in between each other. And if you know anything about airports, a lot of the time they won't let you check a bag until about 2, maybe 3 hours before takeoff. And really, the only good parts of the airport is after you go through security and check-in. I don't mind spending all the time like in restaurants, getting a manicure or anything like that. But you can't do that until you check in your bag. So I needed a carry-on. So that brings me the first reason why I chose the Away bigger carry-on. It's a carry-on, but it's slightly bigger than a normal carry-on. The good thing about this is, well, more room. Bad thing is, if I ever want to go on international flights, not going to work as well, especially in Europe. They usually allow for smaller, and Away's website recommends that for the bigger carry-on, really you should only use it in the US. But if you want international one, they do have their regular size carry-on, and they do say it does work with most international travel. Make sure you check with your flight carry-on just in case. Number 2, I've always wanted to try a hard-sided case. Apparently, Away travel luggage is supposed to withstand bowling balls coming on top of it. Pretty tough. Plus, soft-sided tends to get scuffed and look really ugly and really dirty, and hard-sided is just easier to clean. The number 3 reason why I chose the Away luggage: laundry. The biggest drawback for most hard-sided luggage is not having external pockets. External pockets, especially the smallest ones, are usually where I put like my dirty underwear, which, as far as anything goes at the end of the trip, that's really what I think of when I think of dirty clothes. My t-shirts, my pants, unless they have mud and dirt on them, like they're not dirty. But my underwear, that's just gross. That needs to be somewhere else. But the problem of using conventional laundry bags is that when you bring them with you, they fold up really nicely and there's almost no space. But when you bring it back, it is chock full of all the dirty laundry that you just stuffed in there. Because really, who's gonna fold dirty laundry? I don't want to. Then I have to touch it again. Ew. The great thing about the Away luggage is that it compresses. So it creates so much more room in your luggage, but have a completely separate place. That's what I'm looking for. And here are 2 features that are just pretty much icing on the cake. Number 1, a charging station. I don't know about you, but whenever I travel on any Disney vacation, and pretty much any other vacation, I can never have enough places to charge my phone, my iPad, and any other electronics. So really the fact that this comes with its own little charging port, amazing! Plus you can be a nice person and let someone use yours. Maybe he's cute. The second one is the TSA approved lock. I'm kind of neurotic when it comes to security on my belongings. I always want to make sure I'm never pickpocketed, that I don't get anything stolen, especially because I do tend to bring expensive things like iPads. I have a passport and like all of these things, and I really don't want people messing with it. So I'm so happy that there's no lock, that the only people that are going to touch it are you and any TSA agents. So really, if anything is missing, TSA, I'm watching you. I'm watching you. Now that I've purchased it, let's see what it actually looks like. As you can see, not very heavy at all. Wasn't hard to move. And I should mention that this has a 100-day money-back guarantee, which is pretty awesome. Plus, they have a lifetime warranty. So they might be a little expensive, but seriously, they have been known to have great customer service and can take care of any issue that you have. But now that we see what the box looks like, let's open it and take a test drive, if you will. Thanks everyone for watching. Again, I'm Kathleen the Singing Cat. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to press like, and if you want to see more videos like this one or other ones, feel free to subscribe. If you have any suggestions on what type of Disney things you'd like, or you want me to review other travel products or anything like that, feel free to comment below. I'd love to hear what you think. In the description below, I will have a link to the Away Luggage. By using this link, you get $20 off any of their products, and it gives me $20 credit at their store. So I don't really get paid, but hey, who doesn't need more travel gear? Because I love shopping and I love travel gear. They also have accessories, so you can put stickers and get luggage tags and a whole bunch of other stuff. So I will be making a part 2 of this video just so that I can let you know how it worked on my trip, because really it may look all cool, it may fit my stuff, but how is it actually traveling? So I'll let you know. And thank you everyone for watching, and I hope to see y'all real soon. Bye.